All right, this is the original Rubik square. It's one of the oldest innovation that India has done. But as we all know that we never patented, we never looked at holistic things. This is a signal of innovation. I keep it with me because it keeps giving trigger to me. And you can buy this too somewhere. But this is the Indian version, all right? This is how it works. Why am I sharing this with you? It is because all these tools, when they come together, and they are following a certain vision of the organization, form innovation. And then is when a company starts flowing in blue waters. The number that you've targeted, which is almost double the turnovers that you're wanting to do, I'm 100% sure they will happen. If all these tools are put into a right structure, the innovation will happen. All right, so don't miss this. Work on these tools. They will give you great insights and ensure that you're reaching the goals that you intended. In journey with you, this is Yogesh Pawar signing off on your last video. Bye-bye.